The new STRALIS Hi-WAY makes life on board easier, both on the move and when parked. Everything you need is always to hand thanks to the number, capacity and ease of access of the storage compartments. The new dashboard features a handy A4 compartment and drawers for maps and documents. The fridge, fitted beneath the lower bunk, has a bottle rack that's big enough for 2 1.5 litre bottles and 1 1/2 litre bottle. For really long-haul work, you can specify a maxi fridge with a 50 litre capacity. In the night area, the storage compartments are lit and can be accessed from both inside and outside. 2 more large external storage compartments are available for stowing tools and work clothing.